How are you doing today?
Good. Matthew, talk to you. Say good.
You're good?
Can you say good morning? There we go.
Good morning,
That's what
sir.
I like to hear you talking.
Yeah, we like hearing your voice. I like hearing your voice.
He's like, stop talking even for me. I have to focus him.
Yeah.
Let's have fun.
Let's do this today. Let me get out the old foot tambourine and the claves. Claves! There it is, the foot tambourine. You ready? Yeah, welcome to June.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta send those venue requests.
Great. Let's do it. Let's turn that on.
No one saw that. No one saw that. Not you. You didn't see.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
I knew that Spurrier would get me one of these things. Today was the day.
I know. You guys have a really cool shirt. Oh, there's excitement happening in there. All right, listen.
I spur myself with the now
Yeah.
I don't bucket.
Yeah.
I look up and that is what
What are you doing?
I didn't take a shower. Yes, I did.
All right, let's start. What are we starting with? Yes. Here we go. Tommy used to work at the dock. He was in a strike, it's down on his lucky stuff. Gina works the diner all day, working for the man. She brings home a paper love. Love. She said you gotta hold on to what we doesn't make a difference if we make it all got each other, that's enough for love. We'll give it a shot. Here we go. 2, 3, halfway there. Oh, living on a bed tonight. We'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Say it to 'em. got it. There was a hair from it, and it just kept on going in my eye. Had to find it. I got it. What? Which one are you talking about? You talking about Take On Me? Are you? Okay, we can do that. You know, we gotta get to the right thing. You know, I just like things to be. Yeah. Nice. Show me your plan. All right, show me one finger. All right, now let's sing it with me. Here we go. Grace is just laughing at us because it's so good. I think that's why she's laughing. You know what? I think it's my turn to pick. It's Matthew's turn to pick. Let's see what we got. You know what? I know which one I want to do. Let's do one from a band from when I was growing up called Weezer. Oh, they're still around. You ready? You ready? Where I come from isn't all that great. My automobile is a piece of crap. My fashion sense is a little whack. And my friends are just as good as me. I didn't go to boarding school. Preppy girls didn't look at me. Why should they? I ain't nobody, got nothing in my pocket. Beverly Hills, that's where I wanna be. Living in Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills, rolling like a celebrity. Living in Beverly Hills. Living in Beverly Hills. Play it, Dylan. Living in Beverly Hills. Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ready? Sing it with me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Living in Beverly Hills. Look at all those movie stars. They are so beautiful and clean. When the housemates scrub the floor, they get those spaces in between. I wanna live a life like that. I wanna be just like a king. Take a picture by the pool, 'cause I'm the next big thing. Beverly Hills, that's where I wanna be. Living in Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills, rolling like a celebrity. Living in Beverly Hills. Isn't that cool? I don't stand a chance. It's something that you're born into, and I just don't belong. No, I don't. I'm just a no can be damn fool, and I will always be that way. Might as well enjoy my life and watch the play Beverly Hills. That's where I wanna be. Living in Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills, rolling like a celebrity. Living in Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills. That's where I wanna be. Living in Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills, rolling like a celebrity. Living in Beverly Woo! You ready for a drink after that, huh? Beverly Hills! Weezer, they're a funny band. I like some of Weezer's stuff, though. I can get down with Weezer. I was supposed to go see him in concert. I had tickets. But then my son had his big concert that he had to do, so I went to that instead.
Your yellow cup?
Yellow cup. Yellow cup.
You went with mommy to go get those, yeah.
They look nice. I'll raise you up. Let's have a party. Head down. Ready? One more. Head down, head down. There you go, that's easier to swallow, right? We want it to be easy. More. Jeez. All right, let's go. Boosting it, boosting it. You ready? More? All right, let's keep going. Swallow it down first, all right. You got a good groove going on. More. You want more? Okay. Well, then we gotta stay focused on our task.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
You doing good, D? You making Maggie give you a drink?
I know.
What? Yeah, now you're talking.
Are you done? You're done now?
Good.
No.
More music.
No, Abby, you can't come in.
You ready to play? I think it is your turn to pick. What song should we do? Clouds? Up, up, up. Yeah. We like going up, up, up. You ready? You ready? I'm not ready yet. I'm almost ready. I fell down, down, down to this top and lonely home. There was no one there to care about me anymore, and I needed a way to climb up and grab a hold of the air. You were sitting there holding a rope. We'll go up, 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 and we'll fly a little high. We'll go up in the clouds 'cause the view's a little nicer down here, my dear. Won't be long now, won't be long now. We'll go up, 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 and we'll fly a little higher. We'll go up in the clouds 'cause the view's a little nicer up here, my dear. Won't be long now, won't be long now. When I get back on land, well, I'll never get my chance. Be ready to live, it'll be ripped from my hands. Maybe someday I'll take a little ride. We'll go up, up, up. Everything will be just fine. We'll go up, 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 and we'll fly a little higher. We'll go up in the clouds 'cause the view's a little nicer up here, my dear. Won't be long now, won't be long now. go up, 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 and we'll take a little ride. We'll sit there holding hands, everything would be just right. Maybe someday I'll see you again. We'll float up in the clouds and we'll never see the end. We'll go up, 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 and we'll fly a little higher. We'll go up in the clouds 'cause the view's a little nicer down here, my dear. Won't be long now. La la la. La 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, 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 oh. Are you thinking of Come Sail Away? Come sail away with me. Let's go. Let's
What, honey? I'm looking for my phone. My phone.
let's play it together on the keyboard. Let's play together the keys. So slide a little bit, slide a little bit. I'll slide a little bit. This is your side, this is my side. I don't know how much you would actually like sailing, Dylan. I don't know. Have you ever been on boats? What is that? Open arms? Open arms. Yeah, we'll get it.
And yesterday he was asking for Hey Jude.
Hey Jude! Did you want to do Hey Jude today? Alright, let's do Open Arms and then let's do Hey Jude. And that will take us where we need to be, I think. That's good. Okay. We're gonna do Hey Jude. But I'll do it from the phone. I will do it from the phone. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. time for us to do our last one. Yeah, I can do it from the phone. But here we go. Let's just do it. Oh. Matthew, thank you. Goodbye. Let's do Grace. Na 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 na. Hey, Grace. Goodbye. Yeah, that's fine with me. But we need we need your mom. We need your mom. Tony was supposed to sign some papers and be our
Tony,
She's
supposed to sign a paper with you?
Oh, yeah. Got it? Where do I got it? Where do I got it? I know I got it.
Here you go. Here it is. Yep.
we need some new clothing.
You guys can head out now and sign a few of these.
Yep.
Run out.
All right.
Come on, you got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're not afraid. Come on.
You got
Step.
this. You got this.
All right, your bar. Remember your bar.
Right behind you.
Come on. Come on. Step. Other foot. Come on. Step. What are you doing? All right, step. Okay, come on. You gotta go this way.
All right, I'm following your lead. That was a good call. It was a good call.
Okay, stay right here. Out of the road. What?
Picture. You know my password? It's my birth year. You should know when I'm born.
Where's your button? I don't see it. Fix it. Hurry. Okay, go over the. Oh. All right.
Oh, we're getting a picture. The man.
You're coming here, Dee.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
I probably got 4. Because I just kept pushing the button. I couldn't see.
You got 3.
Okay.
There you
Thank
go.
you so much. All right, guys.
Thank you, Matthew. We'll see you next
Have a
Friday.
good week.
Good. Have a good one.
Tires and rims.
I think it's that. It must be the realtor because he's taking pictures.
Taking it inside or the outside?
Outside.
I know, I keep pulling you backwards.
I don't.
Bye, Matthew. Say bye. All right. What?
Yeah, I think the realtor.
Mommy recorded on her phone.
Oh, well.
Yeah, realtor.
Oh. You probably bought a computer for
Yeah.
TV or something.
Don't say that word.
I like those rims and tires.
Thank you. You want to just buy the whole truck?
No, just the rims and tires for my Jeep. I don't want the gas.
You gotta help him.
I don't want the Ford no more, so I don't know.
Okay, let's go.
Come here.
We're all going.
Choo choo, chugga chugga, choo choo, chugga chugga, choo choo.
He is wearing a conductor's hat.
What is? Oh, there it goes. I was like, what's wrong with that? It was just good.
Chugga chugga, choo choo, chugga chugga. Let's go.
Come on.
If somebody's in front of you, you won't
Stop.
go. Not since you fell, huh? There you go. There you go. Okay, dear. I gotta, oops, still call your meds because the phone was there like 4 people in front of me.